Hi guys, welcome again. Windows Update, some settings are hidden or managed by your organizations. So how to fix this problem guys? I suggest you. So guys, you remove school account. So how to remove school account? Go to click to start button, go to setting and then account. So guys, here to show school account here, so you can remove account. First method is you can remove. Then guys, close this tab and I give you second method. So guys, change network ID system. So open file manager and right click to this PC and more, then properties, then guys click to advanced setting system, then guys click to computer name and network ID. So you can click home, this is the home computer, not part of business network, and then next and then finish. You can restart your system, but please wait because I have more 2 and 3 more method, so you can solve this problem. Then guys click and modify group policy, so automatic update, Windows R, enter. So guys, type to JP edit and then OK. Oh, something wrong. So guys, jp edit.msc, then OK. Now open group policy. So computer configurations and net administrator, and then administrator templates, and then extract to computer components. Then scroll down, click to Windows Update, W series, Windows Update. So then guys click to Windows 10. In Windows 10, otherwise you click the simple Windows Update. In Windows 11, manage and user extensions, so click to configure automatic update and right click to double click to not configure. You can double click and configure, not disable and enable. You just click to not configure and then save, apply and OK. So guys, then you restart your system and then please check, then update.